When we hear the term artificial intelligence, or AI, a variety of images might come to mind. From the iPhone's Siri voice assistant to the Amazon Echo, AI has, seemingly overnight, become commonplace in our everyday lives. Contrary to the belief that AI only exists in today's world to assist humans with daily tasks, Mike Schuster, Assistant Professor of Legal Studies and Business, tells us that AI has already achieved much more than we ever thought possible.
I started to find all of these ways that artificial intelligence was independent of humans actually engaging in invention. Humans may provide some background information, they may actually own the computer, but no, the human wasn't the one doing the invention. And you have to start asking, well, how are we going to grant patents for a non-human created invention? And if so, well, who owns them? We really don't have a manner by which artificial intelligence would own something like a patent.
Examples of AI-created inventions include bullet train technology, various communication systems, and industrial controllers. In one instance, a software package called the Invention Machine created a system controller, and the individuals that uploaded background information into the AI received the patent. Schuster and many others are asking, should the patent belong to the AI itself or the creator of AI?
If we look to the law interpreting who constitutes an inventor under U.S. patent law, we see that you need to have independently created a concrete idea of the invention as it will be used. Merely providing background information, like if I gave you information on a particular technology and said, here, go use this to invent, that's not invention by me. Identifying the goal. Hey, I want a new kind of car that can fly. If I don't figure out how to make it fly, that's not invention.
Artificial intelligence has various impacts on business and law, but how is the average person affected? Schuster has identified one form of AI that can be used to create new products called genetic algorithms, which mimics evolution to create new and improved technologies. Genetic algorithms are able to evaluate many sets of invention parameters and discard poor performing sets as it goes.
The process goes on until we either reach a system that satisfies a particular goal, say a microwave that will cook a chicken in 30 seconds, or after X many iterations of the genetic algorithm process.
Schuster believes this type of AI has the potential to change the world as we know it. But when it comes to AI inventions and patent laws, there are still many important questions that have yet to be answered.
I think that the time to address the question of to whom we're going to grant patents for technologies created by artificial intelligence, and whether we're going to generally, is coming near. It is certainly an issue in business that is coming to the fore as we speak. That being said, it's better to make an informed decision that we can live with for the next several generations, as opposed to making a bad decision hastily.